Hello, good evening. I hope this evening finds you well. Today I want to show you the collection of Anima Sola books that we have to offer. The first book I'll show you is called 100 Prayers to Anima Sola, featuring 20 special bonus prayers that are designed to alleviate the pain, suffering, and loneliness of the Anima Sola. So let me show you the contents here. Now there is a lot of information about the Anima Sola. It's like a crash course. And then there are 100 prayers. This book is jam-packed. Just jam-packed with prayers to the Anima Sola for just about any purpose that you can imagine. I really recommend that you get this book. The next book I'm going to show you is called Anima Sola in the Tarot. Now, this is a very interesting book. All of these books are by Zadok the Mystic, by the way. So there's no experience necessary to use this book with the tarot. You would need a deck of tarot cards, of course, but it's the book. See, there's shows you traditional offerings to the Anima Sola, and it goes into the tarot cards, and it goes to even spells that you can cast with the tarot. Okay, the next book I'm going to show you is a really bizarre book. It's the Anima Sola doll book, and the book, from what I could tell, is about creating a doll of the Anima Sola out of like a, just like a Barbie type doll or something like that. Just like a action figure, and you would use that as a way to communicate with Anima Sola. Very interesting book indeed. I'm not sure. I think we have all of these books for sale in one listing. If you want to get all of these in one fell swoop, I think we might. Then there is the Anima Sola product spell book. This book shows you how to use actual Anima Sola products, like Anima Sola candle, like a bar of soap, a little statue of the Anima Sola, images that you might print out, prayer cards, perfumes, oils, floor wash. But what's interesting about this book is that these products are pretty rare to find, and sometimes they can be very expensive. So this book shows you how to make your own Anima Sola products out of existing ordinary soaps, candles, and whatnot. And by way of magical ritual. Now, all these things are sold for entertainment purposes only. I want to point that out. So let me see if I can find the ritual for. Okay, let's see. Irresistible to the opposite sex. Wash away loneliness. That's a good one. Creating your own Anima Sola soap using ordinary soap. Let me show you these pages so that you can read them. Let's see. Okay, so there you have it. 4 absolutely wonderful Anima Sola books, available exclusively from Solar Vision Publishing. You can't get these anywhere else in the world. So come and see us real soon. I would love to send these books to you. Thanks for watching the video. And please also watch our other videos as well, if you would. Thank you so much. And like our Facebook page too. Thank you. Bye-bye.